In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create in-text links to attached PDFs in Adobe Acrobat. Linking specific sections in your PDFs to other documents can be incredibly useful whether you're sharing reports, educational materials, or interactive forms. So let's dive right in and get started on this simple yet valuable skill that will enhance your PDF documents. First, you'll want to open a PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. This is your starting point, and make sure the document you select is one where you can edit and make changes. Once you have your desired file open, navigate to the specific section where you want to create the link. This may be a sentence or a section that you anticipate will benefit from having quick access to another PDF document. When you're in the right spot, move to the top left corner of the Acrobat interface and click on Edit. This action will open a drop-down menu where you'll want to select Link followed by Add or Edit a Link. This option allows you to create a new hyperlink or modify an existing one, making it a handy tool for tailoring your document. Next, using your mouse, drag a rectangle around the text or area you wish to turn into a clickable link. This visual cue shows where the users can click to access the linked content. Be precise in selecting the area, as the link will only be active within this defined box. Now, a Create Link dialog box will appear. Here you'll have a chance to configure the link's appearance. You can choose the link's highlighted border style and color to match the aesthetic of your document, or make it stand out so users easily notice it. After setting the visual preferences, you need to decide on the link action. For linking to another page, select Go to a page view and then click on Next. This selection ensures that when users click the link, they will be directed to another page within the PDF. Following this choice, a Create Go to View dialog box will appear. This is where you scroll through your document to select the target page that will be linked. Make sure it's the correct page you want your readers to land on when they click the link. Once you're sure of the target page, click on Set Link. This action finalizes your link insertion, establishing a direct connection from your highlighted text or area to the specified page. To wrap up, close the edit panel and test your link to ensure everything is working seamlessly. Simply click on the linked area and check if it directs you to the intended part of the document. And there you have it. You've successfully created an in-text link to an attached PDF document using Adobe Acrobat. This process not only improves the interactivity and functionality of your PDFs, but also provides a seamless reading experience for your users. Thanks for watching, and happy linking!